ask you about love. Probably quote me a sonnet.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy That Booze Bloke, and in today's video I'll be making an espresso martini.
Names are on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell, and you wouldn't know what it's like to be here.
So for this cocktail you need your coffee liqueur, your vodka, and then like an iced long black. I just got mine as like a pre-done can thing. And for the vodka, I'm using 666 vodka. They're a Tasmanian distillery. They were kind enough to send me out a bottle, and I'll be using this. So to start off, you need 30 mils of vodka. Sorry, I've got a new setup as well for like this video, because my dog's decided that they'll sleep in the other room. I don't want to move them out because they'll start barking and all that. Yep, then use your coffee liqueur. I'm using Kahlua. Finally got myself a bottle of that. Yeah. So as I said, everything's equal parts. Yeah, then use your iced long black. I don't have a coffee machine, so I just bought this. It's not bad. And then pour it into your cocktail shaker, that thing. Mine's already filled with ice. Let's see if I do this right. It's been a while. Shake it till it's frothy. Yeah, it looks frothy to me. Yeah, and then get your strainer and have a cocktail on. Strain it over. And there you go, there's your espresso martini.